Hello everyone, my name is Tias Maji and I am currently a first year chemical engineering student in IIT Kharagpur and my roll number is 20CH and 173. Now this is my second DIY assignment and I have made a fire alarm system by interfacing Arduino with temperature and gas sensor with the help of Tinkercad. Now as you already know, a fire alarm is a unit made of several devices which uses visual and audio signalization to warn people about the possible fire or smoke occurrence in the area of coverage. Now talking about the circuit, I have used these following components: Arduino UNO R3, a gas sensor, temperature sensor, a piezo resistor, and a blue LED. Now talking about the connections, the positive terminal of this breadboard is connected to the 5 volt of the Arduino. The negative terminal of this breadboard is connected to the ground of the Arduino. Now this is the gas sensor which usually detects smoke. The 3 pins of this gas sensor is connected to the positive terminal of this breadboard. Now this pin of this gas sensor is connected to the negative terminal of the breadboard, and this last pin of the gas sensor is connected to the analog pin A0 of the Arduino for taking inputs. Now this is a temperature sensor. This pin and this pin of this temperature sensor is connected to the positive and negative terminal of the breadboard respectively, and the middle pin is connected to the analog pin A1 of the Arduino. Now the coming to the piezo, the positive terminal is connected to the digital pin 7 for taking inputs, I mean for the output purpose, and the negative terminal of this piezo is connected to the negative terminal of the breadboard. Coming to the LED, the cathode is connected to the ground and the anode is connected to the digital pin 13 followed by a resistor. Now coming to the code part, at first I have created two variable, a gas sensor and temperature sensor. The gas sensor will read input from the analog pin A0. I have set a condition: if the gas sensor reads a value greater than 100, then the piezo, I mean the speaker on pin 7 will be played with a tone of 60 for 1 second. Now coming to the temperature sensor, it will take input from the pin A1 of Arduino. Uh, Coming to the conditions, if the temperature sensor reads a value greater than and equal to 80, the pin 13 will be set to high or else it will be set to low. Now coming to the stimulation, here at first coming to the temperature sensor, as we have said that if the temperature is above 80, the LED will glow up, I mean the pin 13 will be set to high. At first the temperature is now 25 and we can see clearly the LED is not glowing. When this temperature is rising, I mean raised to above 80, see it's now 80 and the LED is glowing. When the temperature is more in raised, I mean 290 and above 80, the LED is glowing, and if the temperature decreases and that is below 80, the LED will stop glowing. Now coming to the gas sensor, here the concentration of smoke is pretty low near the gas sensor. When this concentration of smoke is increases in the gas sensor, this piezo will be buzzed. Now let's see this. Here it is. We can see when this smoke concentration is increased near the gas sensor, the piezo is buzzing. Now coming to the code part, I mean the text part of the code. Let's copy this code. I've copied the code. Coming to the Arduino editor. pasted my code. Now let's click on this verify and save. Now you can see clearly that my code is already verified and is saved in our online sketchbook. So that's all for today, and thank you.